Hello dear traders, I continue with the lecture where I will show you how we separate the top expert advisors from the account where we have the 99 expert advisors. So we have already connected to the FX Blue website and we have this precise statistic. So here it's a personal choice if you want to trade only the top expert advisor that currently makes most profit, or the top 2, the top 3, top 5, top 10, top 20 maybe you want to trade. So it's up to you. The important thing is that when we separate the top performers, we need to keep watching the statistic. So you can do this 2 times or 3 times a week, or you can do it only over the weekend. Personally, I do it every other day, or let's say 3 times during the week on Monday, Wednesday and Friday normally, or during the weekend as well. I take a look at the accounts that I'm managing. So the idea is that if you want to trade the top 3 expert advisors, you need to always trade the top 3, because what will happen with the time is that some of these expert advisors will go down and some another expert advisor will come in the top 3. So what we need is we need to change it. So how we do that? Let me take now a quick picture of it. I will use the snipping tool. This is a tool that comes with the Windows. Of course, you can write down on piece of paper. I will just move it on the other screen, but the idea is that I want to have 3 numbers, the 3 magic numbers. And when I open the MetaTrader, I will go to File, Open Data Folder, and then I will click on MQL4 and I will go to the location of the expert advisors. Now you see here is the top search experts. So here I will write down the magic number that I have on my other screen. Okay, so it is 88250111. Okay, you can see that this is a $yen expert advisor. So what I will do, I will copy that and I will make one folder here that says top 3 expert advisors, okay, or top 3 EAs. I will paste it there, right click and paste. Then I will look for the second expert advisor that is with number 882888171. Okay, it's another $yen expert advisor. Right click on it, copy, and then I will paste it as well in the folder with the other one. Right click and paste, and then I will look for the last one. So it is 88355775. Okay, it's this one over here. It's for Euro Yen. I copy it and I will place as well this one in the folder. And what I will do after that, I will place these 3 expert advisors into a separate demo account. One more time. This is the moment where we place the expert advisors trading on a live account, but I suggest you first to do it on another demo account so you can practice it, you can practice the process, and you will learn how to do that, okay? So here I have opened another demo account for $3,000. One more time, guys, please don't take any of the numbers as a recommendation. You should always trade with how much you decide. And one more time I will repeat, it is a personal choice when you want to start trading live money, because these are your money that you're risking, guys, and it is your risk that you are taking. So my advice is take it easy, take your time. Don't hurry with live accounts, practice always first on a demo. That's why I want to show here examples with demo accounts. Nobody take it as a recommendation or advice. So I will paste these 3 expert advisors over here and I will close it. So what I will do now, I will go to expert advisors and I will click on refresh. And this will force MetaTrader to compile the files. Here they are. I have a couple of windows open here, but what I need actually is Euro Yen. Okay, let me put 1 Euro Yen, and then I need 2 times $Yen. So here 1 and here is 1. it is on M15. So on the first 3 charts I will attach the expert advisors. First, of course, I need to enable the auto trading. Double click over the expert advisor, I click on OK. Then I will go to the second one, double click, I click on OK, and then I go for the third one and I click on OK. So these 3 expert advisors are already trading in this account. Okay, so this is what you need to do actually, guys, in order to trade the top expert advisors from the 99. And of course you need to follow the statistics, and when you see any other expert advisor going into the top 3, you need to replace it in the other account. Okay, so this way you will be always trading the top 3, or if you decide the top 5, the top 10, it is up to you. Just I suggest you to start with a smaller number so you can follow easier the statistic. Keep running the 2 accounts. Don't make the mistake to switch from one account to the other one, because you will disable the trading in one account. You need to have 2 different accounts running in the same time so you can keep trading into the 2 accounts. Okay guys, so this is pretty much the system. Really, it's not a hard thing. It's a little bit of work to place the 99 expert advisors, but since you receive them ready for trading, you don't need to go over all the process of generating and filtering strategies. I just showed it for the people who want to do it by themselves, or they want to trade different assets or different currencies. You know already how to do it. But here the idea is place the 99 expert advisor, follow the statistics, and open another account. Again, start with demo just to see how it is working and to get used with the whole process of managing the 2 accounts. Now, the thing I have decided to do, I was not planning to do it during the course, but I will do it for this course because I did it for 2 cryptocurrencies courses. I will do it as well for this course. I will update the course every month with new 99 expert advisors. So every month on the first week I will update with new expert advisors. So this way I will include always the last 1 month as a history data, which is important. And once you have the course, you will receive new 99 expert advisors every month. Okay, so from there it is your choice if you want to trade with top 3 expert advisors from each month, or you want to take the top 1 expert advisor from each month and combine it with the expert advisors coming into the next month. What you can do as well is to filter the strategies every month, and when the new ones are coming, you can just remove all these and place the new ones, and this way you will be always trading strategies that are generated and that went through the Monte Carlo, including the last 1 month. So every month you can trade new expert advisors, or once again you can take from each month the top expert advisors, or if you have the possibility to run many meta traders on few computers, on a VPS, doesn't matter what is it, you can run hundreds of expert advisors in the same time, and this way you will have the chance to take always the ones that are on the top from the different accounts. Okay, so it's a personal choice how you want to do it. It will be my pleasure to update the course every month with new 99 expert advisors, so you can have more possibilities and you can trade with more expert advisors. So pretty much that's it. I will continue the video once I have some more statistic, and if any of these 3 expert advisors go down, and I will replace it with another one. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and let me know if you have questions. Cheers.